Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Combine 3 cups, 360g all-purpose flour, 50g sugar, 7g instant yeast, and 1 teaspoon salt in a bowl. Add 1/2 cup, 120 ml warm milk and 1 large egg mixed to a shaggy dough, then add 50g softened butter and continue kneading. Knead 6 to 8 minutes until smooth, rest 10 minutes, then chill 30 minutes wrapped in plastic. Chilling slows fermentation, firms the dough, and makes laminating easier for a flaky pastry texture. Form a 250g butter block, beat and shape between parchment to a 7 by 5 inch rectangle. Chill until firm. Roll dough to a 9 by 7 inch rectangle and place the butter block centered, fold to enclose it fully and seal the edges to prevent leaks. Perform 3-letter folds with 30-minute chill between each fold to relax gluten and keep butter cold. Then roll to 1/4 inch thickness for shaping into cut rounds or triangles before filling. Cut and shape pastries. Brush with egg wash made from 1 egg plus 1 tablespoon water before proofing to give a shiny, golden crust. Proof at 24 degrees C for 60 minutes until puffy but not overproofed. Then bake at 200 degrees C, 400 degrees F, for 12 to 15 minutes until deep golden and flaky. Rotate pans halfway if needed. Finish with 1/2 cup powdered sugar mixed with 1 tablespoon lemon juice for glaze, or pipe a vanilla custard.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.